Hello everyone. Now in our irrigation engineering, today we are going to see our next chapter, dam outlet works. So our next chapter is dam outlet works, very most important chapter. So in this chapter some content are included in this chapter. The first is spillway. What is spillway? Types of spillway based on most prominent features, location of spillway, spillway crest gates, energy dissipation below spillway. So in energy dissipation below spillway there are four topics: hydraulic jump, stealing basins, bucket type energy dissipators, plunge pools. So first of all, what is spillway? So a spillway is a structure. A spillway is a structure constructed at or near the dam site to dispose of a surplus water from the reservoir to the channel downstream. स्पिलवे क्या है? वन ऑफ द स्ट्रक्चर कहाँ पे कंस्ट्रक्ट होगा? नियर और एट द साइट ऑफ द डैम. वो क्या करेगा? डिस्पोज ऑफ सरप्लस वाटर फ्रॉम द रिजर्व. डिस्पोज करेगा जो जो सरप्लस ज़्यादा जो वाटर होगा उसको सरप्लस करेगा एट द डाउन स्ट्रीम ऑफ द चैनल और रिजर्वायर. स्पिलवे are provided for all the dam as a safety measure against overtopping and the consequent damage and failure. The function of spillway. स्पिलवे का फंक्शन क्या करेगा? जो स्पिलवे होगा वो सेफ्टी मेजर करेगा किसके अगेंस्ट? इट इज़ ओवरटॉपिंग एंड द कॉन्सिक्यूट डैमेज एंड फेलियर और डैमेज को रोकने के लिए. ठीक है. और जो ओवरटॉपिंग होगा उसको रेजिस्ट करने के लिए स्पिलवे यूजफुल रहेगा. सो स्पिलवे एक्ट एज अ सेफ्टी वाल्व ऑफ द डैम. ठीक है. वो क्या करेगा? इट इज़ एक्ट एज अ सेफ्टी वाल्व ऑफ द डैम. डैम का सेफ्टी वाल्व के तरह स्पिलवे काम करेगा. बिकॉज एज सुन एज द वाटर लेवल इन द रिजर्वायर राइजेस अबव अ प्री डिटरमाइंड लेवल, excess water is discharged safely to the downstream channel and the dam is not damaged. ठीक है. कि जो वाटर लेवल होगा वो रिजर्वायर के अंदर राइज होगा. ड्यूरिंग द मानसून देयर इज अ फ्लड अकर. ड्यू टू फ्लड द वाटर लेवल ऑफ द डैम इज इंक्रीज. एट द टाइम जो एक्सेस वाटर होगा वो डिस्चार्ज होगा सेफली डाउनस्ट्रीम ऑफ द चैनल एंड द डैम इज नॉट डैमेज. सो इट इज़ द safety valve of the dam. Spillway is a safety valve of the dam. Now essential requirement of spillway. अब कौन कौन सी रिक्वायरमेंट है स्पिलवे के लिए? एसेंशियल रिक्वायरमेंट. द फर्स्ट इज टू द स्पिलवे मस्ट हैव सफिशिएंट कैपेसिटी. स्पिलवे की कैपेसिटी कितनी होनी चाहिए? सफिशिएंट. द स्पिलवे कैपेसिटी मस्ट हैव सफिशिएंट. इट मस्ट बी हाइड्रोलिकली एंड स्ट्रक्चरली स्टेप. ठीक है. हाइड्रोलिकली एंड स्ट्रक्चरली सेफ होना चाहिए. स्पिलवे कैसा होना चाहिए? हाइड्रोलिकली एंड स्ट्रक्चरली सेफ होना चाहिए. द सरफेस ऑफ द स्पिलवे मस्ट बी इरोजन रेजिस्टेंट. जो स्पिलवे की सरफेस वो कैसी होना चाहिए? सरफेस ऑफ द स्पिलवे मस्ट बी इरोजन कांस्टेंट. इरोजन कांस्टेंट होना चाहिए. It should be provided with some device for the dissipation of excess energy. The spillway must be located that it provides safe disposal of water. Spillway ऐसा लोकेट होना चाहिए कि जो वो वाटर का सेफ डिस्पोजल करे. ठीक है. इजीली डिस्पोजेबल करे. The discharge must be not eroded downstream of the dam. नाउ फैक्टर अफेक्टिंग स्पिलवे कैपेसिटी. अब कौन कौन से फैक्टर अफेक्ट करेंगे जो स्पिलवे की कैपेसिटी है? तो इनफ्लो फ्लड, अवेलेबल स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी, डिस्चार्ज कैपेसिटी ऑफ अदर आउटलेट वर्क, वेदर द स्पिलवे इज गेटेड और अनगेटेड, पॉसिबल डैमेज इफ द कैपेसिटी इज एक्सीडेड. तो फैक्टर कौन कौन से फैक्टर है जो अफेक्ट करेगा स्पिलवे कैपेसिटी? जो फर्स्ट इज इनफ्लो फ्लड, अवेलेबल स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी, डिस्चार्ज कैपेसिटी ऑफ अदर आउटलेट वर्क, वेदर द स्पिलवे इज गेटेड और अनगेटेड, possible damage if the capacity is exceeded. Now type of spillway based on utility. अब there are different type of spillway based on its use utility and its application. The first is a main spillway, then subsidiary spillway or auxiliary spillway or emergency spillway. The first is main spillway, subsidiary spillway, emergency spillway. So main and emergency spillway. So first is main spillway. A main spillway or a service spillway is the one which is the first to come into operation and is designed to pass the entire spillway design flood. This spillway is necessary for all dam and it is most of the dams. It is the only spillway. Spillway क्या है? Main spillway is also known as service spillway. It is one which is first to come into the operation. वो first operation में आएगा and designed to pass the entire spillway design flood. This spillway is necessary for all dam and most of the dam. It is the only spillway. Now second is subsidiary spillway or auxiliary spillway. In some cases where site conditions are favorable, it may be economical to provide an auxiliary spillway in conjunction with a smaller main spillway. Subsidiary spillway और auxiliary spillway कहाँ पे provide होगा? So in some cases where site condition are favorable, जो साइट होगी डैम साइट जो हो साइट होगी वो कैसी होगी? It is favorable, or it may be economical to provide auxiliary spillway or in conjunction with a smaller main spillway. In such case, the main spillway is designed to pass only small flood which are likely to occur frequently, and when these floods are exceeded, the main spillway is assisted by the auxiliary spillway in passing the excess flood water. The total capacity is then equal to the sum of the capacity of the main and the auxiliary spillway. Now third is emergency spillway. So an emergency spillway is a one which is provided in addition to the main spillway, but it comes into operation only during emergency which may arise at any time, and the same might not have been considered in the normal design of the main spillway, that it is provided for additional safety during emergency. Emergency spillway होगा ये कहाँ पे प्रोवाइड होगा? इन एडिशन टू द मेन स्पिलवे. मेन स्पिलवे पे प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा. इट कम्स इनटू ऑपरेशन ओनली ड्यूरिंग इमरजेंसी. ये ऑपरेशन कब होगा? में इमरजेंसी स्पिलवे का इन ओनली इन इमरजेंसी सिचुएशन. It may be rise at the time at the same might be have considered in the normal design of the main spillway. Thus it is provided for additional safety during emergency. ठीक है, emergency spillway is applicable only in emergency situation. Now cause of emergency. अब emergency spillway कब suitable होगा? So some cause of emergency. The first is an enforced shutdown of the outlet work. Enforced shutdown of the outlet works. Second, a malfunctioning of spillway gate and the necessary for bypassing the regular spillway because of damage. ठीक है, so this is the cause of emergency. The first is an enforced shutdown of the outlet work, a malfunctioning of spillway gates, the necessity for bypassing the regular spillway because of damage. Now next is type of spillway based on most prominent feature. Type of spillway based on most prominent feature. According to the prominent feature pertaining to the various components of the spillway such as a control structure, discharge channel, etc. The channel, the spillway may be classified in the following types. First is a free overflow or a straight drop spillway. Second, ogee or overflow spillway. Third, side channel spillway. Fourth, chute or a open channel or a true spillway. Fifth, tunnel spillway. SAP or morning glory spillway, siphon spillway. So type of spillway based on most prominent feature. So there are different type of spillway. So according to the prominent feature pertaining to the various component of this spillway, such as a control structure, discharge channel, etc. The spillway may be classified into following types. So first is a free overflow or a straight drop spillway. Second, ogee or overflow spillway. Side channel spillway. Chute or open channel or a through spillway. Fifth, tunnel spillway. 6, shaft or a morning glory spillway. 7, siphon spillway. Now first is a free overflow or a straight drop spillway. A free overflow or a straight drop spillway is a type of spillway in which the control structure consists of a low weight, low height, narrow crested weir, and the downstream face is vertical or nearly vertical, so that the water flows freely more or a less vertical. Okay, so a free overflow or a straight drop spillway is a type of spillway, one of the type of spillway free overflow in which द कंट्रोल स्ट्रक्चर कंसिस्ट ऑफ लो हाइट. जो कंट्रोल स्ट्रक्चर होगा वो लो हाइट पे रहेगा, नैरो क्रेस्टेड वियर, एंड द डाउन स्ट्रीम फेस इज वर्टिकल, नियरली वर्टिकल. Downstream face is vertical or nearly vertical, so that the water fall freely more or less vertical. So the overflowing water may discharge as the free jet. Overflow का वो free jet पे क्लियरली अवे होगा, ठीक है, फॉल होगा जेट. द डाउनस्ट्रीम फेस ऑफ दिस स्पिलवे, एज इन द केस ऑफ शार्प क्रेस्टेड वियर, एज सच occasionally the crest of this spillway is extended in the form of overhanging lip. So figure is given here. To direct small discharge away from the downstream face of the overflow section, the underside of the nape is ventilated sufficiently to prevent pulsating or fluctuating jet. If no artificial protection is provided on the downstream side of the overflow section, the failing jet will usually cause the scouring of the stream bed and will form a plunge pool. As such, in order to protect the stream bed from scouring, an artificial pool may be created by constructing a low auxiliary dam downstream of the main structure. Now next is ogee or overflow spillway. So an ogee or overflow spillway is the most commonly used spillway. Ogee or overflow spillway is the most commonly used spillway. It is widely used with gravity dam. Gravity dam पे वो construct होगा. Arch dam and buttress dam also it is widely used for arch dam and buttress dam. Several earth dam are also provided with the type of spillway as a separate structure. So an ogee spillway is an improvement upon the free overflow spillway. The essential difference between the free overflow spillway and ogee spillway is that in the case of free overflow spillway, water flowing over the crest of the spillway drops vertically as a free jet away from the downstream face, whereas in the case of the ogee spillway, the water flowing over the crest is guided smoothly over the and is made glide over the downstream face of the spillway. So the profile of a spillway is ogee or a S. The overflowing water is guided smoothly over the crest and profile of the spillway so that overflow water does not break contact with the spillway surface. If this is not assured, a vacuum may form at the point of separation and cavitation may occur. In addition to cavitation, vibration from the alternate making and breaking of contact between the water and the face of the dam may be result in serious structural damage. So it is here the types of spillway. So based on a predominant feature, the type of spillway are free overflow or a straight drop spillway, auge or overflow spillway, side channel spillway, chute or open channel or trough spillway, tunnel spillway, shaft or morning glory spillway, or siphon spillway. So first of all, what is spillway? A spillway is a structure constructed at or near the dam side to dispose of surplus water from the reservoir to the channel downstream. Spillway are provided for all dams as a safety measure against overtopping and the consequent damage and failure. Spillway act as a safety valve for the dam because as soon as the water level in the reservoir rises above a predetermined level, excess water is discharged safely to the downstream channel and the dam is not damaged. So, essential requirement of spillway are: the spillway must have sufficient capacity, it must be hydraulically and structurally safe, the surface of the spillway must be erosion resistant, it should be provided with some device for the dissipation of excess energy.